Well, what I've got for you now is a Ben & Jerry's review. Rain dough, cookie dough twist. Vanilla ice cream with a swirly rainbow sprinkled cookie dough centre and colourful chunks. So I'm going to do a review of that now. So just put you on pause and then we'll review that. There you go, 1 second. Right, here we go. Let's give it a taste test. Here on my channel. One second. See little bits in it. I don't think you can see it that well. There, little bits. See a big piece there, can't you? Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Well, one second. What can I say about that? Ben & Jerry's rain dough cookie dough twist. Marks out of 10 for that. That's a 9 out of 10. Here on my channel, to be perfectly honest with you. So anyway, if you like Ben & Jerry's, get yourself one. Put it there. See you on the next one.